Hello, this is your sharing doctor, Dr. Daisy T. Tonight, what I'm going to share with you is acupressure for kidney disorders. So we're going to learn some acupoints to press for the relief or the remedy of kidney disorders, from kidney stones to nephrons problem, even to those who are supposed to have dialysis or are doing dialysis, even those who are kidney transplant candidates can use these acupoints to pressure, to massage, in order to bring relief to kidney disorders. So let's start the ball rolling. The first point that I would like to share with you is a point in the hands, at the palm of the hands. This point here, you can put pressure in it for 2 to 3 minutes. You can do this when you are watching television, when you are on the bed before bedtime, or anytime that you can do it. It is very easy to do. So you have to pressure this part. The second point is this at the collarbone, besides the sternum or the breastbone. So you have to thump it. Thump it. Again, this is also very easy. You can do it while you are resting, while you are lying down on your bed. You can just thump this. This is actually what you call the K27 or the kidney 27, which are the junctions of all the meridians in the body. The third point is the kidney 1, which is located at the soles of your feet. The third magic point for relieving kidney disorder is the kidney 1, which we have taken when we had the magic points for hypertension. This is the same kidney point. You need to massage it or put pressure in it regularly. You can do it several times a day or several times a night. The acupressure strategy that we have just taken is a non-invasive strategy in meeting the needs of our bodies. That's why I would recommend it best. There is no needle, there is no surgery, there is no chemotherapy, there is no radiation, and there is no drug to take. And acupressure works really with excellence. The other strategy that I would like to share with you is something that I have seen with my own eyes. When the kidneys were subjected to light, the dark kidneys turned lighter and lighter until it becomes a healthy kidney. And this is by going out and looking at the sky. The soft light in the sky will heal your kidney disorders, no matter what. By looking at the sky, at the blue sky, during the day from 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock sunlight, you can look 1 hour every day. Try it and prove to yourself. Thank you so much, and may God bless you.